A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal showdown, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit is set to review President Donald Trump's authority to impose tariffs on imported goods. This pivotal case comes in the wake of a lower court ruling that determined Trump exceeded his powers with broad levies on U.S. trading partners. The court will examine the legality of the reciprocal tariffs implemented in April, alongside those imposed earlier in February targeting China, Canada, and Mexico. The hearing, scheduled for 10 a.m. Eastern Time, will feature a panel of judges, including 8 appointed by Democratic presidents and 3 by Republican presidents. This diverse panel will hear arguments from 5 small U.S. businesses and 12 Democratic-led states challenging the tariffs. The timing of this legal review is crucial, as it occurs just one day before Trump plans to escalate tariff rates on imports from nearly all trading partners. The appeals court's decision could set a precedent regarding the extent of presidential power in trade matters. Trump has positioned tariffs as a cornerstone of his foreign policy strategy, using them as leverage in trade negotiations and as a response to what he deems unfair practices by other nations. The states and businesses contesting the tariffs argue that such powers are constitutionally reserved for Congress, not the presidency. They assert that the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEPA, which Trump has cited to justify these tariffs, was never intended for such purposes. Historically, the IEPA has been employed to impose sanctions on enemies or freeze their assets, making Trump's use of it to levy tariffs unprecedented. Trump has defended the April tariffs as a necessary response to ongoing trade imbalances and a decline in U.S. manufacturing strength. He has also claimed that tariffs against China, Canada, and Mexico are justified due to their alleged failure to curb the illegal flow of fentanyl into the U.S. However, these countries have denied such allegations. A previous ruling from the U.S. Court of International Trade sided with the challengers, stating that the IEPA does not authorize the imposition of tariffs, which raises the stakes for the upcoming appeals court hearing. As the nation awaits the outcome, the implications for U.S. trade policy and presidential powers hang in the balance. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.